Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Today I'll be showing you how to make seafood salad. You're going to need to boil 2 eggs. And you're also going to boil noodles. I decided to use the bow tie noodles. You can use whatever noodles you would like. You're also going to cut 1 red onion and celery. You want to cut it up really nice. You don't want it to be too big, so make sure you cut it really nice. I decided to use the red onion because I wanted to give it some color. You can use regular onions as well, or you can do both, but I just wanted to use the red onion to give it a little bit of color. Okay, so you're going to, of course, drain your noodles. You're going to make sure that it's not hot, so wait for it to cool down before you put in your meat. So after your eggs are finished, you're going to cut your eggs up just like you cut up the rest of the vegetables. So first I'm going to add my meat, then I'm going to season it, then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients into the salad. I forgot to add that I also seasoned my meat. I used garlic, pepper, and I also put in a seafood seasoning. You're going to add in your mayonnaise and relish. You're going to add in the rest of the ingredients, so your onions, your celery, and your eggs, and you're just going to mix it all up. You don't want to add too much seasoning, too much salt. Just taste it first to see if you need a little bit more. Season to taste. That's the word I was looking for. Season to taste. We don't have any measurements for this, so you can just add however much you want. And there you have it. Like I said, if you need to add more relish or mayonnaise, you do that at your own risk. It depends on how you feel. But this is my seafood salad. This is the end result. It looks so good. It tastes so good. I hope you try it out yourself. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Thank you all for watching. I'll be back with more videos.